everyone, welcome back with me and don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. According to local news outlet La Presse on Wednesday, the case is the depot of placement used CDPQ, an institutional investor character when managing retirement asset in Canada. Predominantly French-speaking province of Quebec, worth of almost the entirety of its 200 million investment in travel cryptocurrency lender Celsius Network. The move came just a month after the CDPQ and growth equity firm Westcap made a joint investment of 400 million into Celsius and a valuation 3 billion. At the time, Celsius boasts over 100 employees, 25 billion in total assets and 150 million in cumulative interest paid to depositor. However, as an unregulated and centralized entity, a depositor assets are not protected in the event of losses, nor is the firm subject to any restriction on the use of leverage. During the onset of this year, crypto winter, the sudden and violent crash of Bitcoin, BTC, and other digital assets left a 2.85 billion gap in Celsius net assets. As a result, it subsequent withdrawals on the accounts of nearly 1.7 million customers in June, it appears that the loss on Celsius represents only a negligible fraction of the CDPQ portfolio by June 30. The CDPQ managed a committed CA billion in total assets, destroying by 7.9% in the past 6 months. The entity is currently evaluating in the legal opposition against Celsius, although it has not shared any detail. According to court filings, Celsius is scheduled to run out of money by October. United States government's sentencing of the open source code that makes up the Tornado Cash Privacy Protocol may be shocking, but it's not surprising. America has been tightening its grip over the global financial system for decades, ostensibly to cut down on bad behavior, but also to project power abroad. Economic sensitization, like the ones offered by the aptly named Office of Forex Asset Control, are a powerful weapon that agency website state that in enforce economic and trade sanctions based on U.S. foreign policy and national security goals. It just this is fight drug dealers, terrorists, and the other threats to the national security, foreign policy, or economic. Scary stuff, particularly when enforced by the issuer of the global reverse economy. But there lies the rub because the more the U.S. weaponizes access to the dollar, the greater the inflection for every other country to find an alternative. One likely winner from this dynamic is Bitcoin BTC. To see why we need to study the architecture of money, fiat currency like the US dollar have no inherent transfer mechanism. Large payment can only be made through the banking system, and banks need government characters to operate. This symbolistic relationship enables government to not only control the issuance of their money, but also access to it for the issuer of a reference secondary monetary. Censorship becomes a powerful weapon, arguably as destructive as bombs and bullets. The latter case show that DeFi can accept relegation. Bitcoin is different because it's the own can receive resistant payment system. Anyone can make payments to anyone else with or without the involvement of licensed intermediary government. Governments can still wield power over individualist exchange. Custodians are minor, but they can stop the protocol or the community that runs it. Bitcoin is also apolitical in ways that fiat currencies can never be, along with ever strict cancellation requests, the U.S. has recently taken the drastic step freezing the foreign exchange reserves of Russia and Afghanistan. Regardless of one's opinion of the legitimacy of such acts, they drive home the point the dollar references are only useful so long as their owners stay American good side. The United States government's 10 coins of the open score coded to make up the Tornado Case Privacy Protocol may be shocking, but it's not surprising. America has been tightening its grip over the global financial system for decades, obviously to cut down on bad behavior but also to project power abroad. Okay, I think that's enough for me. Don't forget to like, share, comment, and subscribe. See you.